How to check your blood pressure on Apple Health application. Make sure that you have updated the app in your Apple device. If you're using iOS, this app is inbuilt and you will get it for sure. Now, if you have the application, you simply have to open the Apple Health here right now. As you can see on the summary on the home page, that is my sleep, my steps, show all health data. I will click it. Here you can scroll down and check for that if there is BP or something available. So as you can see that there is nothing like that. So we will click on the browse on right top of screen. Then simply select heart from this list, that is health category. Then click on blood pressure. Here is you can simply add your blood pressure, current blood pressure, like 120 by 90. I'll add any random data from this, so you can see that this is set right now. So this, after you saved it, you can only see this, your blood pressure. Only after you add it, then only you will be able to see it. So this is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching this.